Creating an optical toy shop. Light can make a great toy. It bounces, bends, and creates beautiful patterns, all of them free. Here are a few ideas for making toys that allow you to play with light. Once you've made these toys, try to think of ways to make toys using your own materials, such as mirrors, sequins, magnifying lenses, and other reflective or refractive objects. Kaleidoscope, prism, periscope. Make it. Kaleidoscope. Materials: electrical tape, 3 microscopic slides available in science supply stores, or clear plastic from a product wrapping or other source. Sheet of transparent plastic wrap, pencil, scissors, transparent tape, confetti, tiny sequins, or tiny beads. Procedure: 1. With the electrical tape, join the 3 microscope slides to form a triangle. 3 slides, electrical tape. 2. Wrap the electrical tape around the triangle so the triangle is completely covered and only the ends are open. 3. Hold the triangle up to one eye, slowly turn it. You have just created a kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope is a 3-sided tube with mirrors on the inside. When you look through the tube, you see an image reflected many times. 4. Now you can go on to make a kaleidoscope, a 3-sided tube with mirrors on the inside and a cap at the end that allows light through. The cap is filled with sequins or confetti, and when you look through the open end of the tube, you see images of the sequins or confetti reflected many times. Place your kaleidoscope on the sheet of transparent plastic wrap. Trace around the base of the triangle. 5. Cut out the triangle you traced. Repeat to get a second triangle. 6. Use the transparent tape to attach the plastic triangles along 2 sides to make a cone. 7. Place the confetti, sequins, or beads into the plastic triangle. Tape the triangle shut. Tape. 8. Tape the plastic triangle over one end of your kaleidoscope. Hold the kaleidoscope up to the light and look through it. You have made a kaleidoscope. A mirror is anything that reflects light rays rather than absorbing them. The glass microscope slides, without the black electrical tape, do not make good mirrors because most of the light passes through the glass rather than reflecting off it. However, when you wrap the black electrical tape around the outside of the triangle formed by the glass microscope slides, the inside of the triangle is able to bounce or reflect the light. The light is reflected over and over in the same pattern, so you see 6 identical images. A kaleidoscope combines several mirrors to show reflections of reflections. The mirrors can be arranged in many shapes, but usually 3 mirrors form a triangle. A kaleidoscope is a kaleidoscope with an object placed at one end. The object or objects form mirror images that in turn form mirror images of mirror images. The result is a pattern of beautiful, symmetrical images.